Tonight, this man is in custody, accused in a string of explosions that started Saturday night in Manhattan's Chelsea neighborhood. It was one of 3 explosions in 48 hours. Police and federal agents say 28-year-old Ahmad Khan Rahmati is responsible for. He's charged now with 5 counts of attempted murder for shooting at police officers. Security has been stepped up in New York ahead of the United Nations General Assembly. Today's notification in New York is believed to be the first time authorities use the wireless emergency alert system to search for a terror suspect. But KXAN's Phil Prazen shows us how you could get an alert the next time an emergency happens in Texas.
People in Cedar Park could get a buzz on their phone from changing the trash pickup time or something more serious.
But if there's a barricaded subject in a house who may be armed with a weapon and he's refusing to come out, we would use it to notify the surrounding citizens to notify them to stay inside their homes where they can stay safe.
Cedar Park Communications Supervisor Michael Brimble says they use a system called Code Red to get your attention. In the past, you may have received an alert for a missing child or when severe weather strikes.
And alerts going off on cell phones in this area with this information.
It's similar to what made phones go off in New York. More than 1,200 agencies across the country are allowed by FEMA and the Department of Homeland Security to send you messages. In 2006, Congress passed the WARN Act, or the Warning, Alert, and Response Network Act. T-Mobile, AT&T, Verizon, and Sprint all agreed to take part. In the setting on your phone, you can opt out of Amber Alerts and alerts involving imminent threats to safety or life, but you cannot opt out of an alert issued by the president.
In terms of the details.
Phil Prazen, KXAN News.
To learn more about this alert system, go to KXAN.com. In Austin, APD works with other departments in our area to keep track of threats. The Austin Regional Intelligence Center was established 5 years ago to help prevent another terror attack in our country. The center connects 17 law enforcement agencies across Hayes, Travis, and Williamson counties. It looks into suspicious activity that may have ties to terrorism. The division works with law enforcement up and down Interstate 35. Warn Central Texans provides emergency warnings in your neighborhood through text, email, or phone during a disaster or public safety event. To sign up for that, visit warncentraltexas.org.